The curve y equals arc cos of 2x minus 1 intersects the curve y equals e to the x at a single point where x is alpha. Show that alpha lies between 0.4 and 0.5. Show that the equation arc cos 2x minus 1 equals e to the x can be written as x equals a half plus a half cos e to the x. Use the iteration x to the n plus 1 equals a half plus a half cos of e to the x to the n, with x1 equals 0.4 to find the values of x2 and x3, giving your answers correct to 3 decimal places. So let's have a look at this then. This curve intersects that curve at alpha. Show alpha lies between 0.4 and 0.5. So let's have a look at that then. Let's take the difference. Cosine to the minus 1, we put 0.4 in. 0.8 minus 1 is minus 0.2 minus this value, e to the x value is 0.4. And arc cos of, let's put 0.5 in, of 0 minus e to the minus 0.5 is equal to. So let's type that in the calculator then. So we've got arc cos of minus 0.2. So shift cos of negative 0.2 minus e to the power 0.4 equals 0.28, which is positive, and then put the next value in. So put in 0 for the cos, and put in minus e to the x, isn't it? So that would be plus 0.5 here, not minus. So 0.5, and that's minus 0.07, minus 0.07, that was a plus, wasn't it? Actual 0.5 value. So here, this is equal to this, 0.28, and this is equal to that. So a change of sign occurs. Sign occurs, and alpha lies in the said range. Okay, so we've done that then. Show that arc cos of this can be written as that. So rearrange for x. So let's have a go at that then. Take cosines both sides. Cosine of the e to the x. Move the 1 over. And now divide by 2. Move the 2 from times on one side to divide on the other side, which is what we wanted to show. That's B. Now part C, we use the iteration formula, don't we? Here, with x1 as 0.4. So x to the n plus 1 then is equal to a half plus a half of cosine of e to the x to the n. And x1 was equal to 0.4, and we need to work out x2 and x3 to 3dp. So x2 and x3. Okay, so we'll tap it in the calculator then. Firstly, we need to put in 0.4 as our starting value. So that will now go in as answer in the memory. So cancel that now. So whenever we press answer, we'll get 0.4. So we need a half plus a half, so 0.5 plus 0.5 times cosine of e to the answer. Come down to ground level, close the cosine brackets. So this will give us x2 now when we press equals. 0.539, and that was to 3 decimal places. And then x3, we just press equals again. We get 0.428. And that again was to 3 decimal places.